How to fix PNC Bank cannot enable alerts. To fix the PNC Bank cannot enable alerts error, first of all, you have to verify your mobile number and email in your profile. So to verify your contact information, go ahead and launch the application itself or open any web browser of your choice, then head to pnc.com. Once you log into your account, navigate to the customer service and head to profile. Go to the phone and email, look next to the mobile number and email. If you see an unverified or verify now prompt, click it. Now you simply have to input the confirmation code sent to you to fully validate the contact method. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed. Or what you can also do is make sure to enable phone system permission. You simply have to open your device's app gallery, look at the PNC application icon, go ahead and long press it, then tap the I option to access the app info panel. I'm just showing you the steps to enable the notifications because I have not yet downloaded the PNC Bank application. You simply have to follow the steps. Once you open the app info panel, tap on the notifications and make sure that this feature is turned on. Once you do this, you will now receive notifications from the PNC. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.